Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and this is the Visiocrest night vision goggles.
These are binoculars and perfect for long distance scenarios. They also work during the day, even though they say night vision. Now, they have a really nice hard protective case. They included a lens wipe and this nice sturdy strap. It has a nice hooded cover so you can see out during the sunlight. Now, this is not where you look. You're going to be looking right here through the screen, and it has some basic buttons. They're pretty easy to use. So we took these out for a walk, and on the screen, it almost looks like it's daytime. But if you look out, it's still very dark. Now, I'm not using any infrared at all yet, and it's not always necessary, but let me turn it on to show how clear it looks. And there's 5 different levels. Let me go up little by little, and you'll see how it gets clearer and clearer. But keep in mind, it does drain your battery. And I recommend you get familiar with the buttons before you're out in the dark. There's only 4 of them, and it's pretty simple. This mode button here helps you go through the different functions such as photography, playback, and you can get quite a bit of footage because they included a 64 gigabyte micro SD card, and you can also plug straight into your computer to download the video as well. Now, my husband is showing here how far we can actually see with this, and it is about 400 meters. We do have 8 times digital zoom, so I'm going to show a little bit up close just how far and clearly it looks, and there he is zooming in little by little, showing the different modes. Overall, this would be a great tool for people who like to go hunting or camping.
But that's just my point of view.